So Cool Trains of Montreal, and I've got the CN switchers coming back here at St. Charles Yard, going to hook onto some cars, I guess. Let's see which ones. It's hooking onto that caboose. Yeah, that one is a GP38, it's GP40-2W. It's a wideCab. It's hard to tell from further away because of the streak. And they're taking that caboose somewhere. Very strange to see a Pointe St.Charles caboose. They were called Pointe St.Charles cabooses because, of course, they were built in the CN Pointe St.Charles shop. That one, you could tell it's the Pointe St.Charles caboose because of the large covered windows on the ends there. In some of my videos, my other videos, you would have seen it. My model Pointe St.Charles cabooses have those end windows fully uncovered, of course. I'm just going to walk over here to try to get a clearer view of it. Here we are. It is so unusual to see a caboose like this that's not just on display. They're probably maybe using it as a shoving platform. I'm not sure. In any case, it's kind of sad that it's not the red with the nice CN noodle like these were intended. All the windows are blanked off, of course. Everything has been stripped out of it. Not even red anymore. These were very handsome when they first came out in the late 70s, I guess. And they served up until about 1985 when the caboose became kind of redundant, but you still saw them in service on Canadian railroads on CN for a while after that. They started disappearing really in the 90s. Okay, if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. You can see it over here.